to Yourpedia campus placement. So guys, Greenko, which is India's leading you can say renewable energy sector company, and this particular company is coming in your campuses for to hire geologists and various other posts basically, and students are preparing for that. So guys, for this you must prepare some of the important facts related to this particular company, right? मैनेजमेंट कौन है, क्या प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, क्या बिजनेस वर्टिकल्स हैं, राइट, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू बी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट इन दैट, तभी तो आप उसमें अप्लाई करेंगे, तभी तो आप उस कैंपस के लिए जा रहे हैं, राइट. दैट इज समथिंग कि वाई यू आर फैसिनेटेड विद दिस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी एंड व्हाट इज दिस ग्रीनको, राइट. लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. So guys, whenever you are going for any company, ठीक है, you must like prepare these important content, important components always. You should be aware about the historical milestone of that company, management, product services, business verticals, and lot of things are there. Your job profile also, you should be aware about that, right. Apart from that, talking about this particular company, this is Greenko, which is one of the India's leading renewable energy companies, which is focusing on decarbonizing the power sector with integrated solutions in wind, solar, hydro and pumped hydro storage. ठीक है, it's headquartered in Hyderabad, Telangana, and it's operate nationwide 12 gigawatt of renewable energy asset and additionally 20 gigawatt under construction, right. Co-founded in 2004 by Anil Kumar Chalmassetti and Mahesh Kohli. It's a privately held with significant investment from GIC, Singapore and Abu Dhabi, and it's basically it has been like expanded its project and aims to expand its portfolio to 50 gigawatt by 2030. ये कुछ important pointers हैं. Now Greenko is constructing electrolyzer, gigafactories and green ammonia plants to support its mission of enabling round the clock clean dispatchable energy. Right, these are some important pointer, please have a look to this. Talking about core business verticals कौन कौन से हैं, यूटिलिटी स्केल रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी जनरेशन जिसमें विंड, सोलर, हाइड्रो आते हैं, इंटीग्रेटेड रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी स्टोरेज प्रोजेक्ट्स, पम्प्ड हाइड्रो स्टोरेज, डिजिटल क्लाउड बेस्ड एनर्जी प्लेटफॉर्म, ग्रीन मॉलिक्यूल्स, हाइड्रोजन एंड अमोनिया, एनर्जी मैनेजमेंट एंड ग्रिड सर्विसेज. ये इसके मेन कोर बिजनेस वर्टिकल्स हैं कि ग्रीन को किस किस फील्ड में, किस सब फील्ड में काम कर रही है. तो यू शुड बी अवेयर अबाउट दिस पर्टिकुलर core businesses verticals. Products and services, various, it's a huge list. Grid scale onshore and hybrid wind power plants, integrated renewable energy, battery and pumped hydro storage, digital energy management, ancillary grid services, lot of products are there. Talking about management, see, I'm not telling you to memorize whole team of Greenko, but at least you should be aware ki who is the chairman of this particular company, you know, who is running this like company basically. That is Anil Kumar, founder, managing director and CEO, and Mr. Om Prakash Bhatt is chairman, and rest of the team is also given here, so you can have a look. Current initiative, pump storage expansion की है, ठीक है, ongoing construction है multi gigawatt pump की, डिजाइन टू प्रोवाइड ग्रिड स्टेबिलिटी, ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन अमोनिया की एक्सपेंशन, ठीक है, फाइनेंशियल स्ट्रेंथनिंग एंड स्ट्रेटेजिक इन्वेस्टमेंट यहाँ पर ऑल्सो गिवन है. ये कुछ ESG हैं, इनको आप प्लीज देखिए कि व्हाट दे हैव बीन टेकन. ब्रिटिश सेफ्टी काउंसिल इंटरनेशनल सेफ्टी अवार्ड 2025 जो उनको मिला है. गोल्डन पीकॉक अवार्ड फॉर द CSR 2024. अगर आपसे पूछा जाए कि रिसेंट अवार्ड्स एंड रिकॉग्नाइजेशन व्हिच हैज बीन विन बाय द ग्रीनको, सो यू शुड कोट ऑल दिस थिंग्स, राइट. करंट न्यूज, AM Green to boost stake, ठीक है. Greenko is working on $1 billion bond issuance to refinance 2025 maturities reflecting solid financial planning and market confidence, ठीक है. Then it comes to I can say it out, इसका यहाँ financial given है, so ये आप जरूर एक बार check out कर लीजिएगा. And of course the very important HR questions. The very first is what do you know about Greenko, right? So Greenko is the India's leading renewable energy sector company, which is mainly expanding in decarbonizing and it is integrated with solar, wind and hydropower, ठीक है. Of course you can quote it down who is your founder, कब वो फाउंड हुआ था, कब इनकॉर्पोरेट हुआ था, ये सारी चीज़ें आप उसमें मेंशन कर सकते हैं. Why do you want to join? Let's suppose as a geologist, why do you want to join? Just please clarify your interest, your objectives which is aligning with the goals of this particular company, right? Your interest, diversification which it is offering, traditionalism plus like digitalization which is it offering, that is something you can quote it down. And of course how you are going to be contribute, How will you contribute? With your strong technical education, strong technical qualification, your knowledge, right, your innovative skills, your analytical part, and all these things you need to be like speak in this particular like answer, that digital platform, analytical things, and process optimization of course will help to enhance plant performance and grid reliability. उन सब में आप काफ़ी ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो, यू हैव नॉलेज, you have skills, that's how you're going to be contribute. There are numerous questions which you need to be prepared in your HR interview. You are going for the campus placement. एक अलग से वीडियो है common like asked HR questions. Please go and watch it out. Take out that documentation. Apart from that, forever whatever company you are preparing, हर कंपनी का एक डिफरेंट डॉक्यूमेंट है, ठीक है. प्लीज़ पैनल पर जाकर उसको डाउनलोड करो और उसको रीड करो. एंड हर कंपनी के जो इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंटर्स हैं, कुछ शॉर्ट्स में हैं, कुछ वीडियोस में हैं, कुछ पैनल पर डॉक्यूमेंट सभी के हैं, लॉन्ग वीडियो सबके मिल जाएंगी. प्लीज़ इनको देखो, पढ़ो और इनको लर्न करो. एटलीस्ट इफ़ यू हैव दिस कंपनी इज विजिटिंग आफ्टर 2 days, एटलीस्ट जस्ट वॉच दिस वीडियो, कि कुछ तो आपको एटलीस्ट यू कैन लर्न आउट एंड यू कैन हैव दैट आइडिया अबाउट दिस कंपनी. क्योंकि इफ आई एम गोइंग इन ग्रीनको, so this is something I need to prepare. And kindly prepare all these questions with your peer mentors in different HR sessions. So looking forward to mentor you all. All the very best.